Founded in 1981, the Princeton Review has long been a leader in helping college and graduate school-bound students achieve their higher education goals through test preparation services, tutoring and admissions resources, as well as through online courses and resources, print and digital books. One of the top test preparation companies worldwide today, the Princeton Review provides the tools needed for success in high school, college, graduate school, and beyond. For more than 30 years, the Princeton Review has helped students and professionals make progress toward their dreams. In 2015, the Princeton Review Philippines established its first center in Surrender Piazza, Bonifacio Global City. Over the past few years, our team has helped students of all backgrounds gain admission into top colleges and business schools around the world. But what exactly makes Princeton Review stand out? Our theories and methodologies were crafted by experts who spent countless hours taking, scrutinizing, and analyzing real exams. These have been tested with success by millions of students over decades. No one else consistently delivers score improvements as well as the Princeton Review. At the Princeton Review Philippines, our services include review for high school standardized tests such as the SAT, PSAT, ACT, and Pre-ACT, as well as graduate school tests such as GMAT and GRE. We also offer classes for English language tests such as IELTS, and we also offer more specific subject-based tutorials and personalized consulting services. Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have continued our tutorial services online, allowing our students to attend the review sessions from the comfort of their own homes. Using Zoom, our instructors manage a focused educational environment through the use of screen sharing, real-time annotations, and live instruction and feedback. In addition to these online classes, all of the necessary materials are provided for the review, and this includes lecture notes, homework, drills, as well as mock tests where applicable. We also provide exclusive online accounts which allow our students to access even more resources conveniently. With both offline and online infrastructure, we customize a truly blended learning experience to match our students' needs and preferences. Princeton Review Philippines currently offers a variety of class types: one-on-one sessions, small groups, and ultimate classes. A one-on-one class is the best solution for those who seek a more personalized approach to their review. The level of interaction between the student and instructor allows for real-time discussion and feedback, which is very helpful for when the student might have many questions about certain concepts. Activities are also more targeted to address the student's strengths and weaknesses. Small groups are quite similar to one-on-ones in terms of focus and flexibility, since these sessions are limited to fewer students, yet still allow for more interaction with the teacher. The difference lies in the opportunity to interact with their peers. Students in small groups learn to brainstorm and discuss strategies and concepts, giving them the chance to learn alongside each other while problem solving. Our Ultimate Package is our seasonal bundled large class package. These classes usually run for about 25 to 30 hours each cycle, with around 2 to 3 sessions each week. Tentative schedules are posted in advance on our website and Facebook page, and students can register for cycles that most fit their availability. The Ultimate classes are also unique in that we allow free resits for our past students who wish to retake the same package at a later date. This bundle also includes a fixed number of mock tests. Students are highly encouraged to avail of at least 4 additional one-on-one hours to complement the group class and provide the students with the chance to work on individual needs with the instructor. In some cases, we arrange special event lectures. In the past, we have held free power review sessions for our past students. We have also been invited to present at several educational seminars and workshops. Schools and organizations may reach out to us for any such events. So, what's the next step? You can reach out to us via email or mobile, after which we can arrange for you to take a free diagnostic test. Once your results are considered, we will then coordinate with you about the most optimal class format and schedule. Beyond that, it becomes more of a collaborative effort between the Princeton Review Philippines and you in order to get you closer to your target scores.
The SAT, the ACT.
Grades are very important.
You have to stand out.
SAT is going to be a piece of cake now.